So welcome back again, guys. It's your boy John Mary, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. Um, Happy New Week to you guys. Happy New Trading Week to you guys. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the review of last week analysis which we projected. Yeah. So sorry I wasn't able to record last week due to some I was quite busy, with some other schedules. So but here we are now to review our previous analysis and see how price tend to play out. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the video for today. So I have here on my screen GBP USD which we analyzed last week, and we said GBP USD was going to be bearish. um Looking at price in this region, we can see GBP USD has just been ranging for a couple of days now. It has been ranging and ranging. So we ain't seeing no volatility in the market currently. We're not seeing no volatility in the market. The market is just been playing around this region. So just sitting by our hands and just watching what GBP is about to do, and clearly seeing it on the daily time frame. You can see it has been ranging for this um on this region for the whole time. And I said on my previous video that GBP we're expecting it to come break below this counter trend line and then coming back to retest it. And now we can clearly see it has come back to retest this counter trend line. You can see the multiple rejections around there, and you can see how the last week candle closed. Yeah, you can see, which is trying to tell us that, yeah, this is kind of like an edge for us to to like focus on the shorts on GBP because you can see it rejected upon this region, came back, rejected again, and then it has closed right about below this counter trend line, which is giving us a clue to trading it. I'm sorry, to trading it to the downside. So if you can go to the 1 hour time frame, if you can see something, let's move over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see on the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see just gonna just yeah. Okay, guys, you can see on the 1 hour time frame, price has clearly broken. You can see multiple rejections came retest this major level which I drew about here, and it has come to retest this um counter trend line. Came for the first time, came the second time, came the third time, gave us a double top right about this region, and now it is, you can see it has closed right at this below this counter trend line. So for us, we still short on GBP. Our bias is still short on GBP. It has been ranging for the longest time, guys. It has been ranging for the longest time, but we're still hoping and still projecting it to the downside. So for us, our full bias is still bearish on GBP as long as price has now break um is now trading below this counter trend line which we drew right about here. So we see prospecting that GBP will eventually come and then give us a great momentum to the downside. So we are still with our bearish bias on GBP. Yeah, it's still with our bearish bias on GBP. We should be expecting something right about this region like this. Yeah. like what I projected on our last week. Sorry, on my previous analysis which I did. It's going to the daily time frame so you can see things clear. So this is what I projected on my previous video, and we are still with the bias of the bearish on the bearish side on GBP. So we are still bearish on GBP USD. We are still bearish on GBP USD as long as price has break below um our counter trend line and is still trading right about this region. So we should still be looking for selling shorts, selling momentum right about this region to the downside, right about here. Just put this here. So expecting something like this. Okay, something like this. But to be more precise, or to be more sure, or to be more um aligned with what price is going to display to us, we can as well just wait for the market to come and test below this major level here, this major daily level which price has been rejecting. Once we see a clear break below this major level on the daily time frame, then we should also be looking for selling momentum, selling pressures around this region to short GBP USD down below to 1.21318. So that's that for GBP USD. You're still bearish on GBP USD as long as price is trading below this counter trend line. Um, Looking out on the next pair, which we analyzed on our previous analysis on our video, we have USD card. We have USD card on our list. We have USD card on our previous video. So guys, yeah, this is USD card. So in my previous video I was projecting USD card to come and give us bearish momentum to the downside after price was right about this region. I was looking for USD card, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, to come and break below, but what he did respect this trend line. Although I made a mistake by not drawing my trend line accurately, but later I found out and I drew it accurately, which I I I noticed that price was just retesting this major trend line. And see, you can see what just happened here. Price immediately touched this main trend line and push to the upside after a great touch on the trend line, on the major trend line. So so my mistake was I drew the trend line too close, and I was supposed to draw the trend line on the wicks of the candlesticks, but I drew it too close, touching the body of the candlesticks, and I was unable to um to get the accurate measure of touches which the trend line supposed to like align with our analysis. So that was my mistake, and I found out, you can see GBPSG was just retesting. It came retest this region, and now we can see it is now ready to sell to the downside. So when I found out USD card was just trading about this trend line, and I looked and used my Fibonacci to measure the highs and the lows. Yo, just take a look at this clearly, and you can see you can see for yourself that this is this is the actual movement which USD card was actually about to give to us, and we can clearly see just at the retraced just at the point of the retracement level of the 0.5%. You can see USD card, sorry, the USD dollar against the Canadian pair has now respected that level so well, because that is a key level. Yeah, so that is a key level. That was why it respected it, and we're clearly seeing price now has traded below it, and we're prospecting, or we're projecting price to and come to hit 1.29228, 1.29228 right about this region. Once we can see price clearly break below this our major trend line, then um we should be able price may come, or should come to 1.29253, sorry, 1.29353. So that is that for USD card. That is that for USD card, and you can see this is it. USD card, yeah, well about this region. That is our target for USD card. Price as we expected this region. You can go to the 4 hour time frame so we can actually see what really occurred on that level. You can see just right about that 0. The 50% retracement level, 0.50% um retracement level. You can see price came and gave us a what? A clear double top. This is a clear double top right about this region. You can see an M pattern just like this. Sorry, a clear M pattern just like this. Yeah, you can see this is a clear M pattern. So this is a confirmation to our entry right about this region. When we saw this M pattern, we took an entry right about this region, and we prospecting USD card to trade at um uh, uh, to trade at this level, to come and trade below this major trend line, and then to hit our TP. So that's that for USD card. USD card trade um is still in play. You can see it's still in play. So on our next list, on our previous analysis, we discussed about AUD USD. This is a review of our analysis which we did on our previous video. This is on AUD USD. Let's go ahead and just so guys, on my previous video, I discussed about AUD USD about to turn bullish. Yeah, AUD USD about to turn bullish when I drew a major trend line about this region. Yeah, When I do a trend line like this, and I said ADSD was coming back to this level. Yeah, ADSD was coming back to this level. This was the level we should do to buy ADSD, and it came here. But you can see price actually came and then broke that level, and then it has come to test this level. So guys, on ADSD, I'm having a double mindset on ADSD due to the fact that price broke this major trend line. I was expecting price to come and give us a bullish momentum to the upside. What about this region, like this, to come test this level? Yeah, but obviously you can see it came and broke this this trend line, this major trend line. You can see it came and broke this major trend line, and now it is acting just um at the trend line. It is just acting just on top of that trend line. And to be frank with you, I I like I said, I'm having a double side thought on ADSD to the next very soon, maybe to the next direction which it might be taking, because I just felt like, okay, ADSD have been playing around, playing around, playing around, playing around, and now it has come and it has decided to come and trade below the trend line. And now you can see how um the you can see how the 4 hour chart closed. It came and it closed up above this major trend line. So guys, ADSD has broken our perspective towards to the bullish side. Yeah, yes, we projected ADSD to be bullish around that level, but now you can see it is now trading just at this level. So we are not quite sure what next is going to happen. Let's go ahead and change this to white. So we are not sure what next is going to happen on ADSD. Yes, because of this move. It is either price now. It is now, maybe when price is now ready to trade it, then it's gonna come and now trade up above this level. That is when we'll be interested to jump in on ADSD again for the bullish ride, or or maybe this trend line may be invalid or will be invalidated if price now tends to come and trade down below this trend line. Yes, this is two perspective which I said I'm having a double sided perspective on the next move which ADS is going to take, because it has just been playing around and playing around. This is what I said. If price is ready to trade to the original direction which you said it was going to take to the upside, then we should come see it clear. We should come see it clear this level. Yeah, clear this level, and then just like this. Yes, you should come clear this level, then trade up above this level, or it can as well come down below here come back down below here. It might just be like a retest coming back down below here, and then it's going to be trading down below. That is for AED USD. So bear that in mind. Bear that in mind because um I can't actually tell what AED USD is gonna is about to give present to us next. It is due to price action. Once I can see maybe during the course of the week, price presents a price action around those regions, either a clear bullish push to the upside, or this might just be a stop hunt taking out um the few buyers which stop losses are just very close to their entry, something like that. This might be a stop hunt. Let's go to the weekly chart. Let's see if truly. Okay, that might be a stop hunt with the way I'm looking at it. That might be a stop hunt um on AED USD. Yes, this might be a stop hunt taking out buyers out here, and then to then push and break below this. That is why I said for us to be clear that AED USD is ready to now trade to uh a bullish direction. We should wait for it to come clear this level up above this level at 0.66089. Then it is giving us a clear direction to the upside. Or price tends to now retest right about this region, then trade below this trend line. Then we should be looking for price to come and trade down below. So that is that for AED USD. At the moment, like I said, wait for price to come and clear above this region to see a push to the upside, or what, or price comes down below here, now trade right below this trend line. Then we should be looking for shorts to the downside right about this region, right about this region here, to take out um maybe to take out this leg. Yeah, to take out this leg. So that's that for AED USD, guys. On the next few analysis on NZD is on NZD USD, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So one thing I would like to discuss is about price playing around regions, key levels or key regions. By the end of this video, I will discuss about that. But for now, we have NZD USD, and you can see I reanalyzed, and I saw my mistakes which I did on NZD USD, on the analysis which I did on NZD USD. Going to the fact that I'll go to the weekly time frame. Now, due to the fact that NZD USD has been trading bearish, it has been giving us this is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, came retraced, and now it is come. This is like an equal high right about this region. And I wasn't really paying attention at this region, guys. This is what I always say. The weekly, the weekly, the weekly level are very essential in when projecting or when analyzing the chart, because I wasn't really paying attention to this weekly level, and I was just concerned about the daily break and the retest of a minor um trend line on the daily time frame. You can watch my previous video, you can see how I drew the the daily break and retest of the trend line, and I was expecting price to just respect the minor trend line. But you can see right here, price came and price came to retest this major level on this weekly time frame. So that's why it's important for you to know, it's important for us to know that the price usually respects the the weekly the weekly levels. Those are the major levels in the market. Yeah, those are the major levels in market. The monthly levels, the weekly levels, and basically part of the daily levels, but they are like a minor levels also. But the weekly levels are very, very essential when analyzing. That's why I always say when we do our top down analysis from the higher time frame, it will give us a great perspective towards knowing the real direction or the order flow of price in on each pair when analyzing. When you analyze on the higher time frame, it will give you a clear perspective to where price is pertaining to go or attaining to go. So when I deleted the analysis which I did because I saw price was I was expecting price to just retest at the level which I drew, and you can see price was just trading below and giving us great momentum to the downside. You can see the weekly candle was very, very, very bullish. The very, very huge bullish candlestick right about this region. And it is what it is. We all learn from our mistakes. So that is the moral lesson. Learn from your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. That's what makes you more confident, and it gives you more edge to to um to analyzing and to trading the financial market. Because when you do a mistake and then you learn from it, next time you it's there's a low chance that you're gonna still fall in that same mistake which you did, or which you carried out on your previous analysis. It will now give you a clearer understanding towards to analyzing the chart like a pro, and then seeing things more differently. So for now, you can see NZD USD is bearish. You can see it, this trend line, weekly trend line. It just came and retested it. So when I did my analysis and I saw NZD USD was just trying to come and retest this level, and here you can see it. You can see it. So right about here, it touched and it was just rejecting. So for NZD USD, um, let's go to the weekly time frame. I'll show you guys something. Oh, it's taking longer than it should. Okay, so just quickly want to show want to do something here. Okay, so if we can see, let's just draw our Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, and let's see something. Okay, now just draw it. Yo, yeah, this is swing high, swing low. Yes, this is it. So you can see that when we do this Fibonacci from swing high, just adjust it. When we do this Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low, you can see the price has just been expecting these fibs levels. You can see it came right about here, touched, came back down to 0.618%. We expected it. It came broke this initial um projection, and then it retraced up, came and also retest, came and respected this fib level again, came down below, came and respect this fib 0.50% level. And now you can see price came also down, respected this level one more time, and now it came up here to respect this 0.50% fib level one more time. You can see. So I also want to clear the air and see, to show you guys how I was able to restructure myself to the to analyzing the chart once again and seeing the real projection on NZD. So you can see NZD is still acting bearish at the moment. So for us to be clear, we might see price come to clear this level, then we should be projecting to come down below this level here like this. Once we can see, once we can see what we can see price come to clear this level, then we should be having something like this, a break and retest on the daily time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, and then we should be looking to sell NZUSD to this level, at 0.58082, if I'm correct. 0.5802, that should be like how many pips? Okay, that should be around 3 over 300 pips. Yeah, that should be around over 300 pips for NZUSD. So NZUSD, guys, in our previous video we were anticipating NZUSD to give us a bullish monetary upside, but it was all wrong, and we learned our mistake, and we're projecting NZUSD to come, once we see price come to break below this level, to clear this level, then we should be looking to come sell NZUSD once we see price come to break this level. Yeah, 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 yeah. So once we can clearly break clear this level, then we should be anticipating to hit here at over 300 pips, over 300 pips. So that's that for NZUSD. Keep an eye on NZUSD and watch what price is actually going to do next week, because this is a major level and price has been rejecting right about this region. You can see the weak rejections around there. You can go to the 4 hour time frame so we can see things clear. Sorry, network is quite a bit bad. Okay, so you can see price has been acting around this region. You can see multiple rejections. This is a very strong level. This is what I said. Once we can clear this level, then we should be looking to come and drop right about this region. But you can see price has now respect this level last week. We should be looking out for more bearish momentum to clear this level. Once you can clear 0.60937, then you should be able to hit um the the, the level which we projected as our TP. So still watching around this region to see price come and clear this this level, then we should be looking to jump in on NZD to the downside. So that's that for NZD. The next on our list here, which we have, is USD, the US dollar against the Mexican peso. Okay, USD against the Mexican peso. So guys, you can see, you can actually see what I, yeah. Okay, so guys, you can clearly see what we said about USD MXN, which is the US dollar against the Mexican peso, which we clearly said price was going to come around this region, come give us a clear, or a clear head and shoulder, either a head and shoulder pattern, or a W pattern, which I mean something like this. You can see just like this, a W pattern or an head and shoulder pattern. We all know what head and shoulder pattern, head and shoulder pattern, head and shoulder pattern. Just like this. Sorry, head and shoulder pattern. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is an head and shoulder pattern. This is the left head, the left leg, the head, the left shoulder, sorry, the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. This is an example of head and shoulder pattern, but that is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. That is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So you can see price clearly came and came touched about this region, and we saw an head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. Sorry, you can see we saw an inverse head and shoulder pattern around this region. You can see it: left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then impulsive move to the upside. Then impulsive move to the upside. So if we go to the 4 hour time frame, price has just did as we spoke. I deliberated so much on USD MXN on my previous video, and I said I was about, was it? I would say I was 70% certain about this move. Well, yeah, you can see price just give us. You can see clearly, see, you can see it for yourself. Left head, left shoulder, sorry, head, right shoulder break to the upside. And then you can see price gave us a heavy bullish candlesticks, and now it just dropped. um it's kind of like coming to retest the break of this neckline, I would say. I say it's coming to respect the break of this neckline, and then we should like furthermore to come to go to the upside. So yeah, this is it. So I feel price has ranged for some time on the 4 hour candle, on the 4 hour chart, and then it has come to break impulsive move to the upside. And now this is kind of like a retracement of the neckline, and then we should potentially see more bullish candles to the upside. That's that for USD MXN, the US dollar against the Mexican peso. So this is a free trade which I called here on my YouTube channel, on my analysis which I did on the previous my previous video. I said USDMXN was going to be bullish, and we can see price has given us a clear price action around here. So we are now 95%. Now we are now 90%. Will I say 95? 90 to 95% certain about this bullish move. Though I said in my previous video we were about 70% or so certain about this move, and now price has given us a clear clue, or will I say clear price action around that region, which is giving us more confidence about this setup, about this trade, about we are now 90 to 95% certain about this move. Once we can see price come to retest this neckline, then we should be able to come attain this height when we touch this major trend line at about 17.88169, or either going up to this level. So so that's that for USD MXN. I call this trade life. So do your own analysis and see what price has to offer. So when price open, this is a new week, so we should be looking for price to come and retest this neckline to give us more bullish candles to the upside. So that's that for USDMXN. Without wasting much of our time, I don't want this video to be too long. We should be looking on Euro USD. Euro USD, the last but not the least on our review of our previous analysis. Euro USD. Euro USD. This is hello guys. So my next, the last but not the least here, we have Euro USD. Euro USD. You can see on my previous video I said I was anticipating Euro USD to come and break below this counter trend line, and then we coming to retest it around about this region or so. Yeah. So Euro USD has clearly given us what, a clear break of this counter trend line, and now we are anticipating to come and retest this level, which um is going to give us an edge to shorten Euro USD to the downside. So the move is clear and it is certain. It is now certain that Euro USD has now um is now trading below this counter trend line, and has broken below a major level, a minor level, broken below a minor level, um, broken below the counter trend line, and now it is trading below the counter trend line, and we're anticipating to see a retest of this counter trend line, and then a short to the downside on Euro USD, the Euro against the USD dollar. I said this on my previous video, and now it is clearly giving us what we projected. So we just be patient and we'll see price come to retest about this region to short it to the downside. So that's that for Euro USD. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video, and this is just a weekly recap on our previous analysis which we did here, and to see how price eventually played out, or to see our mistakes and how we are able to correct our mistakes, and then to learn from our mistakes to become more better and more professional traders when analyzing the financial market, when analyzing the forex market. So um so guys, in summary for today, I just want to give a roundup talk about the mistakes which occurred on NZD-USD analysis, and AED-USD analysis, which was due to the fact that I was not really paying attention to the weekly level. Yeah, and due to the fact that I wasn't really drawing my levels properly. Yeah, I wasn't drawing my levels properly. That was why I was seeing things differently. So moral lesson, try and draw your we should try to draw our levels more correctly, so we don't tend to mistake the major levels from the minor levels, because when you want to draw a level, we should we are drawing major levels and not minor levels, then whereby we put our levels in the minor levels, it will not um um price tends not to respect minor levels, but respect more of major levels. That is it. So yeah, that's that for that. So I wish you guys um a happy new week, a happy new trading week, where we're trying to become better traders. So it is a stage, it is a journey. We keep on learning day after day, day after day, day after day. We'll make a mistake, we jot it down, we look, we go back to the chart to reanalyze and to see why, when, and what made me make this kind of mistake, and then we tend to use that mistake next time to be good, to be profitable traders. That is the essence. But whereby you don't learn from your mistakes, it just makes you um um used to that mistake, and then you just find yourself doing repeating each and every mistake every single time. But whereby you make a mistake and then you tend to like analyze, and then tend to use your initiative to use that mistake as a gear up towards not making that same mistake another time, and then using it to your own advantage. That is the main purpose of you learning every day, to using your mistakes as an advantage to being profitable, to being on the 1% traders. That is the ideal. Um that is it. So I don't want to talk too much. So thank you guys for watching and staying to the very end of this video. More videos like this will keep on updating you guys about trading setups, trading ideas, and I'm thinking about creating a Telegram channel whereby I just tend to analyze the chart weekly and then post my charts on the Telegram channel and see how you can as well become profitable. So thank you for watching, stopping by to watch this video. As you all know, my name is Jeremy John Mary, your lawyer boy. So do well, please do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll as I will keep updating you guys on trading ideas, trading tips, weekly analysis on my channel. As I love making this video for you guys to educate ourselves, do also well to encourage me by clicking the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications so whenever I drop my video, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye for now. Peace.